Picture this: a multi-billion-dollar military base, protected by the most advanced air defense grid on Earth. Patriot missiles ready, Iron Dome batteries active, phalanx ciws tracking the skies. It is an impenetrable steel dome, designed to stop supersonic jets and nuclear missiles. But then, a low buzzing sound fills the air. It sounds like a cloud of angry hornets. Within 120 seconds, the entire $2 billion defense system is completely blind, overwhelmed, and burning to the ground. It wasn't destroyed by a stealth bomber or a hypersonic missile. It was destroyed by 200 cheap autonomous drones working together as a single mind. The age of traditional warfare is dead. Welcome to the terrifying reality of the drone swarm, and how it completely outsmarts every defense system human beings have ever built. To understand why modern defenses fail, we have to look at how they see. Air defense systems like the US Patriot, Aegis, or Russian S-400 are engineering marvels designed to detect massive, fast-moving threats, like a MiG-35 fighter or a ballistic missile traveling at Mach 5. They use complex Doppler radars that filter out clutter like birds, low clouds, and small objects to avoid false alarms. And that is the fatal flaw. A military drone swarm consists of hundreds of micro-UAVs flying just feet above the tree line or hugging the terrain. To a multi-million-dollar radar, a swarm doesn't look like an invading army. It looks like a flock of migrating geese. By the time the defense AI realizes these are explosive-laden weapons, the swarm is already inside the perimeter. The grid is choked before it fires a single shot. Let's look at the brutal math of modern warfare, because this is where military commanders lose sleep. A standard air defense battery carries a highly limited number of interceptor missiles, and reloading takes hours. A single Patriot missile costs roughly $4 million. A single drone in an automated swarm costs about $500. When a swarm of 300 drones attacks, it triggers the saturation paradox. If the defense system fires, it wastes millions of dollars in precious ammunition to destroy plastic toys, completely running out of missiles in minutes. If it doesn't fire, the base is leveled. Drone swarms turn the economy of war upside down. They don't just outmaneuver the missiles. They physically and financially bankrupt the defense grid. But the real magic, and the true terror, is not the sheer number of drones. It's how they think. These are not remote-controlled quadcopters guided by soldiers sitting with laptops. A true drone swarm uses decentralized artificial intelligence, often referred to as hive mind logic. They communicate with each other in real time via ad hoc mesh networks. If the lead drone is shot down by an automated anti-aircraft gun, the remaining drones instantly recalculate the attack vectors. They automatically divide into subgroups. Some act as electronic warfare decoys to draw enemy fire, others actively jam local communications, while the primary strike drones find the exact blind spots in the radar to deliver the final blow. They act like a pack of wolves hunting a mammoth, reacting to threats faster than any human operator ever could. As drone swarms become the defining weapon of modern conflicts, the global military-industrial complex is desperately scrambling for countermeasures. Traditional kinetic solutions, like heavy machine guns or missile batteries, have proven entirely obsolete against massed, synchronized, low-altitude attacks. Even advanced electronic warfare jamming is losing its effectiveness as newer drone generations utilize pre-programmed autonomous visual navigation systems that don't rely on GPS or radio signals. Once launched, these swarms are entirely cut off from outside interference, making them immune to cyber warfare. The shield is failing, and the sword is getting sharper every single day. As we speak, world superpowers are rushing to deploy experimental directed energy weapons, high-power microwaves, and tactical laser systems. But the technology of the swarm is evolving faster than the defenses. The weaponization of cheap, mass-produced autonomous AI has fundamentally shattered global power dynamics forever. Wealthy nations can no longer hide behind expensive missile shields. The sky no longer belongs to the multi-million-dollar fighter jet. It belongs to the autonomous swarm. The question is no longer if a drone swarm can breach our defenses, but when it will happen next. What do you think is the only viable way to stop a swarm? Let me know in the comments below. Leave a like and subscribe for more cutting-edge military analysis.